Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me. I'm Reesa, and today we're still working in the Standard of Excellence Book 1, and today we're working on Trumpet Voluntary Part 2 on page 30. So let's warm up on Balance Builder, and since we're working on Part 2, we're going to play the bottom notes, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. I forgot to mention on the fermatas, we're just going to play for 4 beats. We're going to act like they're not there. So let's do it again. Let's forget the fermatas, play out the whole notes as 4 beats. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Let's do it one more time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and take a look at our actual piece now, Trumpet Voluntary, for band arrangement. So this is written for the whole entire band. Most likely, this piece you're playing in the concert with the rest of your band. All right, so today we're looking at part 2. So we're going to play all the bottom notes when we are not in unison. Looks like almost the whole entire piece is divided, except for towards the end. So anyway, looking at the rhythms, our rhythms are exactly the same as part 1, so that helps tremendously. All right, we do have several repeats and different kind of repeats. So let's first take a look at the repeat at end of 12. Where does that take us to? Measure 5. Then we have those funky looking repeats at 14, where it's got the slash and the dot dot. Where does that take us to? Remember, that repeat takes us back to only one measure, so we're going to hit 14, play 13 again, and then in 18, we're going to play 17 again, right? And that looks like it's it for the repeats. We have some dynamic changes going on, so pay attention to those. And we have a fermata at the end. Since they were going through video, let's pretend like the fermata is not there. All right, let's just give this a quick rundown together, and then we'll break it up into pieces and then play it as a whole again. Okay, so whole piece. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent job. A lot of G action going, isn't there? All right, so we'll take some parts apart. I feel like a good hunk, we probably don't need to. So let's first take a look at measures, and we'll do measure 1 through 5, okay? So it's going to just be the G's there, and then it's G to B flat. So that B flat is unison with the top part. So we both play B flat. So let's just play those 4 measures together. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. And we also have those accents on 3 and 4, so we'll pay attention to that. Now we have some on 1 and 2, I guess. All right, we got some accents going on, so make sure you really punch those. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, measure 5 through 12. Yeah, that's just a lot of G. If anything, it might just be the rhythms at measure 6. We have the dotted quarter, so 1, 2, going into the 8, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's just the rhythm, so let's just play that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And that's also the same rhythm in 10. So, and it's also the same note. So that section should be good. All right, 13, did you remember those repeats there? And at 18? Cool. And if anything, you might have struggled with just getting those lower notes to ring out at 15. So just make sure you work on the low notes. We have E, E, and D. So let's just play that real quick. And let's not do the repeat at 18. So just 15, 16, 17. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, now let's look at 19 through 29. This has a little bit more motion than the rest of the piece, and we do have that F sharp in 19 that is us. Okay, so let's just play 19 through 29. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, and that F in 27 is F natural because it doesn't have that sharp written in it. Let's just play measure 19 again just so we get that sharp in there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3,
4. Excellent job. Let's take a look at what else we have. 29 and 30 is basically the same thing as our measure 1 and 2. And it's pretty much back to our G's and low notes. 33 is the same thing as like 5. So you should be pretty well off to play this all again. So just to make sure we really have it down, let's play it from beginning to end, doing all repeats. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, if you have any questions about the piece, the saxophone, or anything kind of music related, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and notify so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and until next time.